We're doing a response video to Brandon from Instagram, who asked what advice I have for a new aspiring real estate investor. Well, Brandon, I'm so happy that you asked. There's so much, I would say, what comes up for me, and it's completely off the cuff and not rehearsed. I think wholesaling is a great place to start in real estate, and if you're not familiar with what that is, that's where you're actively scouting out a property, finding a property, controlling the property with a contract. So you put the property into contract, and then you find a buyer for the property, and you find a buyer for more than you're in contract for. So you find a motivated seller willing to sell a property for 100, you put the property in contract for 100, then you go find a buyer for 120. The buyer comes in with the 120, the seller gets the 100 that you promised them, and you made a $20,000 spread. And I think wholesaling is a great place to start because you get to practice the fundamentals of real estate without taking all the risk. And the fundamentals that you get to practice is, number one, finding deals, get some marketing campaigns going. Number two, the fundamental of talking to sellers and negotiating with sellers. And number three is analyzing properties, learning what a good deal is and what a good deal is not. I do think wholesaling is a great place to start. However, I'm a big advocate that the real money is made in real estate with buying and holding assets. And the sooner you can start hanging on to real estate to take advantage of, appreciation and debt pay down, right? And some positive monthly cash flow, the sooner you can start hanging on to assets, the better. But another thing that people do, which I think can cause them some trouble if they're just starting out, is they try to scale too quickly, or they try to buy and hold too much before they're actually ready. And you see that with people, everybody wants to grow as fast as they possibly can and buy as many houses and rent as many houses out as they want to rent as many houses as they can out. Here to let you know, the rental game is a beast. And if you're just starting out in the rental business, I'm totally cool if I was coaching you just to start with one house. And another thing is, don't take on major rehabs if you're just starting out. Construction poses a lot of risk to us as real estate investors. And if you don't know what you're doing with the construction, you can find yourself